You are likely here because a customer invited you to join EandoX, and we are excited to have you on board. Being an EandoX supplier is free, as your participation is of great benefit to our users. In this video, we'll show you how to get started as a supplier in EandoX. The most common way to create an account is through an invitation from one of your customers. You have probably received an email from your customer containing a link to set up your account. Clicking that link will take you to the account creation page, where you can fill out the form to create your account. If you haven't gotten an invitation from a customer, but still want to join EandoX, please contact us at this email. After you've created your account, you will be taken to EandoX. Here, you will be able to create products that your customers have requested from you. If you have been requested to fulfill products, you'll see an information icon in the top right corner. Click the icon and then click the button appearing underneath. This will open the product request side panel. This table displays information about each request, including the customer's name, the product name, article number, whether the article number matches one in your catalog, and the request date. The options you have available for the product requests are Reject Request, which removes the request from the list and sends a message to the customer that the request has been rejected. Fulfill with matching article number, which we can do if we already have created the product and it's ready to be fulfilled. Fulfill with non-matching article number, which we can click if we suspect the customer has requested a product but entered the wrong article number. Create product, which we can click if we haven't yet created the product. We have a couple of product requests here, so let's handle them one by one. We will start by fulfilling our 11mm screw that has no potential match found. In our case, we have created this product already, but it looks like our customer has entered the wrong article number. So we'll click Fulfill with non-matching article number, search for the correct article number, select it, and click Fulfill. For our 5mm steel screw, we also have no potential match found. And in this case, we haven't yet created the product. So we'll click Create Product, which after we have clicked Accept, takes us to the product page. To learn how to create a product, please watch the Creating a Product Record tutorial. For our 9mm steel screw, the case is simple. We have a matching published product, so we'll simply click Fulfill with matching article number. And lastly, for our 7mm steel screw, we have a matching but unpublished product, so we'll simply have to publish it. To do this, navigate to the Products page and click our product. Then click the Publish button in the top right corner. Clicking the Publish button will automatically fulfill the product request. If EandoX doesn't quite fit your workflow, you can also download all product requests as an XLSX file for processing outside of the platform. This file can be downloaded by clicking the Download XLSX Import File button in the product request side panel. In this video, we showed you how to get started as a supplier in EandoX. If any problems occur, we have a helpful AI assistant, comprehensive documentation, and online customer support to guide you. Thanks for watching.